This is C1, 1 gram with room temperature water at 6 ounces. And upon it smells really good. The cinnamon is definitely it's slimy, thick, but if you press into it, it still has a grittiness to it as well. As far as taste, surprisingly, it's actually bland. S2, which is 6 ounces with warm water and 2 grams of cinnamon. This one has the consistency of, like, think of egg yolk. That's what it feels like. Again, the smell is pleasing to the senses. As far as taste of this one, we have, now that one clearly you can taste some cinnamon flavor. This is cinnamon 3, which is 3 grams of cinnamon with 8 ounces of ice cold water. And as you can see, it's having a little bit of difficulty flowing out of the cup. So its texture is thicker than the previous one, thicker than egg yolk. This definitely holds its shape better than C1 and C2. It tastes dry and it's very aromatic to the senses. This is C4, 5 grams of cinnamon with 8 ounces of water, and this was boiling water. And as you can see, it's completely filled the strainer, but it's like thick on the bottom and runny on top. That's the best way to describe it. As far as its texture and looking so far. Now when I pour it out onto the plate, look what it does. So it's, like I said, thicker on the bottom, runnier on the top. That's why I'm having this difficulty getting it to separate onto the plate. But it's clearly like gelatinous on the bottom. It's still filling and I can't get it out, but as far as the texture, feeling it now this has almost like a solidifying runny mess. S3 was more solid. This is kind of like, I mean C3. This is kind of like C2 more or less, but yet I say runnier, exactly like the consistency of an egg. And as far as taste goes, and this really doesn't have the grittiness to it like Cinnamon 1 did. Taste goes, I feel that drying, pungent taste due to the increase in the amount of cinnamon, and it's just slimy, and